driving session. Today, I'll be teaching you the fourth class of auto. The first line is 1、2、3、4，右走左右走. After 右走, you raise your right hand up, then it's 左右走. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Seven, eight. Now, let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is 1、2、3、4，1、2、3、4，5、6. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's link them using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our fourth class of auto. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.